right here. All right. Here we go. Here we go. All right. I'm ready. I am ready for you. Oh, hold on. You know what? I forgot. I haven't turned on the chat. Let me fix the chat really quick. All right. And for those of you that are on TT, just want to share with you that I also run these streams on YT. Is the same name as here. It's at Collect Call From. So if I'm ever not on on TT, I'm always running these streams on YT. So if you like watching these court hearings and interacting with other individuals, come on through. Come on down to The Price Is Wrong, the game of life. Please move your sticker on the page number away a little to the side on top. Please move your sticker page number. No Nintendo. You see, so I read about Ricky to be more familiar. Did he actually commit it or conspire? Ricky was he from my understanding, he wasn't the one that actually did it. And they were not, and the dudes that did it, they were not supposed to actually take him out. They were just supposed to give him a tune-up, if you will. It's covering the CEO's face in the writing. Oh, you're talking about the pager number. Hold up. There we go. Let's see here. You see pager number and the face is obstructing our view. All right. They're talking about the pager number 8. Thank you. Thank you for clarification. Sí, hombre. All right, so that's up. Oh, Rise. How much was the pager? I got it for $100. I think for $99 with 3 months of service. So it wasn't too pricey. I just used some of my TT money to get it. Let's see what's the pager number. What's the pager number for? It's for my pager here for my.
All right.
Is it too loud?
All right, good evening. You may be seated.
To page me. Yeah, I don't actually see anything about an actual charge. He got, I think that his original charge was conspiracy. They want to know why you have a pager.
All right, good evening. I am Commissioner Elizabeth Campbell, and this is the 5 p.m. initial appearance calendar for Monday, August 11th, 2025. The court's orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that were given on the first calendar of this month shall apply to all matters on this calendar. Persons appearing before this court are reminded that they have the right to remain silent and that anything they say could be used against them. Most of you have qualified for a court-appointed attorney. If you have not qualified for an attorney, or even if you have, you may retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I will be calling you up individually. When your name is called, please proceed to the podium. At the conclusion of your matter, officers will have paperwork for you. That paperwork will detail my complete orders in your case. It will also contain the dates, times, and locations of your future hearings.
Love from Canada, we got that.
And we will get started.
Yeah, we got that love from Canada, so we can page him 911 when he's not alive, and we're bored. Asking about the pager are born after 2005 antique.
All right, we're going to start this evening with Pilar Ruiz, please, and then Eric Moore.
Right, Tonka?
All right, sir, go ahead and state your name for the record.
Pilar Said Ruiz.
Mr. Ruiz, what is your date of birth?
April 1696.
Thank you. And you are here this evening on 3 matters. I'm going to go ahead and start with your probation violation matter first. It is 2 failure to appear matters and then a and then a direct complaint matter. So let's go ahead and we'll just go down in order. All right, you're here because Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest for failure to appear in your matter, CR 2023-140377. In that matter, I'm not appointing you an attorney because if you were entitled to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you.
What up,
and
Bingos,
I'm sorry, did you tell me your date of birth was 4/16/1996?
Yes.
Okay. You may, of course, always retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting a hearing on August 18th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In this failure to appear matter,
for sure.
case 0377, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. Now, you are also here because the Maricopa County Superior Court also issued a warrant for your failure to appear
No way,
in
Kelly.
your matter, CR 2023-156121. In that matter, as with the other failure to appear, I am not appointing you an attorney because if you are entitled to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you. You may,
It's
of
right
course,
here.
always
Hi,
retain
Queen.
an attorney at your own expense to represent you. In this second failure to appear matter in case 6121, I'm setting hearings on August 18th at 8:30 and August 20th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I'm also setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500.
What time was
Now,
that? I gotta
finally,
look it
you
up.
are here because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest in a direct complaint
gone?
matter. That direct complaint alleges that on or about August 5th of 2024, you possessed or used narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony. That on or about that same date, you possessed or used dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. That on or about that same date, you possessed or used drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. And that on or about that same date, you committed the offense of false reporting to law enforcement, a Class 1 misdemeanor. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I'm setting hearings on August 18th at 8:30, August 18th at 1:30 p.m., and August 20th at 8:30 a.m. Because you were on felony release in at least case CR 2023-156121, and pursuant to that direct complaint arrest warrant, I am holding you non-bondable on their direct complaint allegations. All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork.
Step to the left. Next.
All right, Eric Moore, please, and
Damn,
then
those
Jade
are some
Coletto.
tight-ass pants. It was a male judge. There it is.
All right, Mr. Moore, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Eric Moore, 12781.
Thank you. And you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest on a direct complaint matter. That direct complaint alleges that on or about February 18th, 2025, you committed the offense of promoting prison contraband, a Class 2 felony. There's 2 counts of that. And then on or about February 18th of 2025, you possessed or used narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony. And then on or about February 18th of 2025, you possessed or used dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I'm setting hearings on August 18th at 8:30 and August 20th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court.
No, I didn't see
In
that on
that
Sunday.
direct complaint
At what
matter,
time?
I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $15,000. All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork.
At what time was that?
Jade Coletto, please, and then
How much would
Vincent
it
Nish.
be? $2, Smoggy.
All right, ma'am, go ahead, state your name for the record.
U.S.
My name is
dollars,
Jade
not Canadian.
Coletto.
And,
My birth, sorry, go ahead.
I'm sorry, Ms. Coletto, what is your date of birth?
7 o'clock.
March 19th, 2000.
Thank you. And you are here this evening because you were arrested earlier today on charges of criminal damage, a Class 6 felony, and assault, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for those. Based upon the information that you provided to pretrial services, I am finding that you are not indigent for purposes of appointing you an attorney, so I'm not appointing you an attorney this evening. You may, of course, retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting hearings on August 18th at 8:30 and August 20th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $5,000. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, I'm going to impose some release conditions, but I
Can you
want to ask
timestamp
you
it,
some
please?
questions. Is the scene, do you and the alleged victim live together?
No.
Okay. So
Send me a message,
this
Smoggy.
incident occurred at your boyfriend's house?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So then I am requiring that you not return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact
What up,
with
hot
the
mess?
alleged victim. No weapons, no drugs, no alcohol. All right. Complete release conditions will be in your paperwork. Go ahead, step to the left. Officer will have that for you.
Hey, thank you, Hype Queen.
Vincent Nish, please.
Thank you, Smoggy. I'll throw it in the Discord. Hey, thank you, Kelsey. Can return to the scene of the crime.
And Mr. Nish, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Excuse me?
Will you state your name for the record?
Vincent Patrick Nish,
And Mr. Nish, what is your date of birth?
4474.
Thank you. And you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest on because
Somebody
you
say
failed
mustache?
to appear in your matter, CR 2025-113333. In that matter, I'm not appointing you an attorney because if you were eligible to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you. You may always, of course, retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting a hearing on August 21st at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. And I am also setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $5,000. All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer, has your paperwork. Samuel Hania, please. And then Raymond Martinez.
I need to get my headphones.
All right, sir, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Sam Honan.
Somebody say mustache?
And what is your date of birth, sir?
9/26/45.
Thank you. And you are here this evening because you were arrested earlier today on charges of aggravated assault, class 4 felony, resisting arrest, risking physical injury to officers, a class 6 felony. I did find probable cause for those. Yes, sir.
Can I say something about that?
Well, you do have the right to remain silent, sir. And anything you say could be used against you.
But I didn't, but the thing is, the officer attacked me. I wasn't doing anything wrong.
Okay. So I did read the Form 4, and in the Form 4, it is alleged that you did, hold on, let me get it.
You did what, Your Honor? Kim. This is gonna get good. Hector put the popcorn. Flush. Wah. The officers didn't attack you. That's called getting arrested.
So in the Form 4, it is alleged that you did try to punch the officer in the groin.
No.
What?
No, I did not.
Okay, so but based upon the information I have in front of me, again, I am finding probable cause for the aggravated assault, the class 4 felony, and the resisting arrest, a class 6 felony. You were also charged with possession of drug paraphernalia, a class 6 felony. Based upon the limited information that I have in front of me this evening, I'm not finding probable cause for that. However, I'm advising you that that paraphernalia charge is not dismissed and that formal charges may nevertheless be filed for that violation. All right, I am appointing you an attorney. I'm setting hearings on August 18th at 8:30 and August 20th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in your matter, in your new matter, in the amount of $2,500. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. Which leads us to your probation case. You are currently on probation in CR 2024-124601. In that matter, your new charges for which you were arrested earlier today would constitute an alleged Term 1 violation of your probation. In your probation violation matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I'm setting hearings on August 18th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in your probation matter in the amount of $500. All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork.
Lose it. Come on, lose it.
All right, Raymond Martinez, please.
Hey, what's up, Gypsy?
Yeah, hello.
Hi. All right, Mr. Martinez, go ahead and state your name for the record.
73184, Raymond Lee Martinez.
Thank you. All right, you are here tonight on 3 matters. We're going to go ahead and talk about your Maricopa County matter first, and then we'll talk about your
Hey, thank you, Kales.
municipal court matters. Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest on allegations that you violated your probation in CR 2023-000326. In that probation violation matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I'm setting hearings on August 18th at 8:30 and on August 18th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in that matter in the amount of $2,000. Now, you are also here because the Surprise Municipal Court issued 2 warrants for your arrest. We're going to go ahead and talk about your warrant in case CM 202400487 first. In that matter, the Surprise Municipal Court issued a warrant for your arrest.
Thank you, Dustin.
Because you failed to appear in your matter stemming from a May 25th, 24 charge of threatening, intimidating. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney for limited representation regarding the bond issue only. I am affirming the $300 bond as suggested by the Surprise City Court, and I am setting hearings on August 19th at 1:30 p.m. in the, again, Surprise Municipal Court, and it is a secured appearance bond in the amount of $300. Now, you are also here because the Surprise Municipal Court issued a second warrant for your arrest. This is also a failure to appear warrant, and this one stems from a charge with an offense date of June 24th of 25 for criminal trespass. In that matter, again, because I am setting a bond, I am appointing you an attorney for limited representation regarding the bond issue only. I am setting a $50 secured appearance bond in this matter. I am also setting a hearing on August 19th at 1:30 in the Surprise Municipal Court. In the event you are still in custody at the time of these hearings, we will officers will arrange either for you to attend remotely in the case of the municipal court matters or for you to be transported in the case of the Superior Court matter. All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork.
Hey, for anybody that wants to see
Slammer Landron, please.
They want us to see Ricky Black's release video. I got it. I uploaded it yesterday to YT at Collect Call from.
And
you
then
guys
Brett
must have.
Vergara.
Did somebody say mustache? What up, Shay?
All right, sir, go ahead and state your name for the record.
Slammer Oscar Landon.
And Mr.
94.
Thank you. All right, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued warrants for your arrest on allegations that you violated your probations in CR 2023-146546, CR 2024-145431, and CR 2024-120152. In all of those probation violation matters, I am appointing you an attorney, and I'm setting hearings on August 18th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your 23 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. In your 24 case ending 5431, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. In your 24 case ending 0152, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. In the event you are able to post your bonds and secure your release, I am reminding you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork for you.
Step to the left.
All right, Brett Vergara and then Dylan Pigatti, please.
Dylan Bugatti. James, can I be annoying?
All right, sir, go ahead and state your name for the record.
Brett Vergara.
And Mr. Vergara, what is your date of birth?
3692.
All right, and you are here because you were arrested earlier today on charges of disorderly conduct, fighting a Class 1 misdemeanor, and threatening, intimidating a Class 1 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for those. And an attorney should be appointed for you at your next hearing for limited representation regarding a bond issue only. I am setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $750, and I am setting a hearing on August 19th at 1:30 p.m. in the Surprise Municipal Court. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you may not return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with the alleged victim. You may not possess any weapons, no drugs, and no alcohol. Complete release release conditions are in your paperwork. Go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your
Step
paperwork
to the
for you.
left.
Am I being released?
So I am setting a $750 secured appearance bond. In the event you are able to post that bond, you would be able to secure your release.
From today, from here?
The toilet is loud.
Yes,
So I would need to pay you $750 to leave.
it's not me. So
What up, Roddy?
officers can provide you with information about how to post your bond.
Okay, I need to know if I'm staying here because I was born female and I have a vagina.
What?
So
Huh?
if someone knifes me or sticks something up there in a male prison or jail cell, who do I sue for that?
Okay, so you can talk to the officers about any safety concerns that you may have. Go ahead, step to the left. Officers will help you out.
I didn't see that one coming.
All right, Dylan Bugatti, please.
What the what? Just when you think you heard it all. Hold on a minute right there. Bring that guy back in over here.
All right, sir, go ahead, say your name for the record.
Hello, my name is Dylan Michael Pagati,
And Ms. Bugatti, what is your date of birth?
9/29/1993.
Thank you. And you are here this evening because you were arrested earlier today on charges of DUI, a class 1 misdemeanor. Actually, there's two charges of 2 counts of DUI. I did find probable cause for those. I am appointing you an attorney. I am setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $750. I'm setting a hearing
No,
on
that's
August
AI for you,
14th at
Austin.
8:30 in the Moon Valley Justice Court.
Only AI will do something like
In the
that.
event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you are in probation in a Maricopa County, at least one Maricopa County Superior Court matter, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right, go ahead.
Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
Real short and brief. I'm not going to talk about my case at all. I'm the only one providing in my house right now. Nobody else is working. I'm taking care of my daughter full time. I'm the only one paying the rent right now. And
Not anymore.
All the utilities. I'm actually currently still in my Carlos Jr. work uniform. I still have my job and everything. Is there any way you can help me? I've never had a DUI in my life at all. I have no prior DUIs. I've never had a warrant. I've never missed a court date. If you could please help me because I have to pay my rent by tomorrow. I was a little late because I got paid late at work, and I need to pay tomorrow. And the leasing office will not let my roommate pay the rent at all, and my daughter stays there.
What?
Please, I really need help. I promise you, even if you have to put an ankle bracelet on me till the court date, I promise you I will attend all my court dates for this. Please.
Do you guys think he's going to give him a break?
I don't know what else
judge?
to do. Please, if you can help me.
So you have had a series of relatively recent felony convictions. I'm going to go ahead and leave that bond set where it is. Okay?
Can you lower it a little bit at least? It's maybe like $250.
$250.
I'm going to go ahead and leave that bond set where it is. Go ahead, step to the left, officer.
And how much is it?
It's $750 secured.
$500 at least, ma'am, please.
Next.
I don't have
$750 secured.
$750 right now.
You can work with the bond company. Go ahead, step to the left.
So if I pay $750, I can get out.
Yes, sir.
Up next on The Price is Wrong.
Genesis
He's haggling.
LeBird,
Going
please.
once, going twice. Sold.
And then Fidencio Falcon. All right, ma'am, go ahead, state your name for the record.
I'm Genesis Libert,
Libird. And Ms. Libird, what is your date of birth?
08/16/2005.
And I apologize, I mispronounced your name.
It's okay.
All right, you are here because you were arrested earlier today on charges of disobeying a court order.
Yeah.
I did find probable cause for that. And I am, hold on. I did find probable cause for that. I am going to go ahead and set a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. So I am appointing you an attorney for limited representation regarding the bond issue only. I am going to go ahead and set a hearing on August 20th at 8:30 a.m. in the Goodyear Municipal Court. In the event you are able to post your bond and secure your release, I am going to go ahead and remind you, you may not return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with the alleged victim. But I did want to confirm that so you and the alleged victim, is he your significant other?
It should be a she. My mother.
Oh, your mother. Okay,
your
I'm
mother?
sorry.
No, it's okay.
Okay. Did that happen at your house, at her house,
Well, me and my mom, we lived together.
Okay.
So ever since she assaulted me and she got arrested for that, I was taken to a domestic violence shelter. From there, I did what I used to do. I went on AZ Point, and then I made a protective order. She followed it. She contested it. I went to the hearing, and then I only put it for a week
A
instead
week.
of the minimum of the 2 years because I have little brothers and stuff like that.
Okay.
So I just let them go back home and stuff. And then the domestic violence shelter, they took me home. Anytime that I went, I called the police department. I've been to the police department to request records and stuff like that for the assault case. And nobody told me that, like, even when I was served papers, no one even told me that I wasn't supposed to be there. I already knew that, which was because, like, I called the police, and then they didn't tell me that you're not supposed to, like, even before, I don't know if I can pull the recording of the call, but they're like, okay, there's no need for a civil standby.
Okay.
That's what they told me.
So my information is that I guess your mom did have an order of protection against you.
She did. She got the paperwork.
Which you violated or allegedly violated. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that bond set at $500. You're not to return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with the alleged victim. Okay. Go ahead. Step to the left. Officer has your paperwork. Wait. Come back just a second.
Maybe she had
So
a
you live
learning
there?
disability.
Yes, I live there.
Okay. So I'm going to put a provision in here that you're going to need if you have any essential belongings that you need to get. I'm going to provide for a civil standby. You do need to get a civil standby.
I like her shoes.
That's what I even called. That's why I'm trying to request my things because I called and they even said there's no need for one. They didn't even send an officer. I asked them to. They didn't send an officer.
Okay. You need to make sure, you need to then request it again because that officer needs to be there to do a civil standby so you're not in violation of my order. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so can we reprint that? We'll go ahead and reprint that. Go ahead, step to the left. We'll get that brought out to you, okay? All right, Fidencio Falcon, please. And then Joseph Martinez.
She should have not gone. If she called the cops and didn't show up, she should have not gone. Is easy
All
as
right,
1,
Mr.
2, 3.
Falcon, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Fidencio Falcón,
And Mr. Falcone, what is your date of birth?
10/13/77.
Thank you. And you are
Not
here
the
this
Lord
evening
Sandals.
because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon a direct complaint matter. That direct complaint alleges that on or about June 22nd of 2024, you possessed or used narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, and that on or about June 22nd of 2024, you possessed or used drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on August 18th at 8:30 and August 20th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $50. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, I am also requiring that you would then register with pretrial supervision. All right? Go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork. Joseph Martinez, please.
I'm not sure, Rosie. Hopefully, I got some time. What are those numbers? That's
All
my
right, Mr.
pager
Martinez,
number.
go ahead, state your name for the record.
That's my beeper
Joseph
number.
Michael Martinez, 41076.
Thank you. And you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest in a direct complaint matter. This direct
39.
complaint alleges that on or about April 26th of 2022, you possessed or used dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, and that on or about April
Can you
26th
answer
of
my
2022, you possessed or used drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. In that matter,
Could I say something?
yes, sir.
Yeah, I was picked up for a warrant for my arrest for burglary. That's why I'm serving a prison term right now. But what I don't understand is why that wasn't ran together with my time that I'm doing right now. You know, I was supposed to get out last Monday on the 4th, and 2 days before that, they pulled me because of this warrant. All of a sudden, this came up. And if it's been filed a long time ago, and I've written the courts stating if I could get a motion to quash any warrants or anything that's been pending over me, and I want to take care of it during this time that I'm serving right now. And technically, I'm still serving time until I get off paper April of 26,
Okay.
but I get released on 10/17 of this year.
Okay.
So I don't understand what I was supposed to get out, and you guys just now pick it up. I mean,
I don't know why
That's preposterous.
this was issued now. I am appointing you an attorney, so you can talk to the attorney about that. I'm setting hearings on August 18th at 8:30 and August 20th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I'm setting a $50 secured appearance bond.
How much?
$50 secured appearance. It's to give you a credit for credit in custody credit.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Go ahead. Step to left. Officer has your paperwork.
So I just gotta pay $50 and
Well, you're in custody on other matters. This.
I know, but what I'm saying is, okay, never mind.
You will see a judge on this matter on August 18th at 8:30.
Okay, am I gonna be in Maricopa or am I going back out to the yard?
That I don't know. You can, maybe officers would know that, but I don't know that.
Okay.
All right, go ahead, step to left. Daniel Baez, please, and then Jesus Hernandez. All right, sir, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Daniel Byers,
Mr. Baez, what is your date of birth?
4/25/97.
Thank you. And you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest on a direct complaint matter. That direct complaint alleges that on or about August 8th of 24 through August 9th of 24, you committed the offense of burglary in the 3rd degree.
What up,
I
Roddy?
am appointing you an attorney in that matter, and I am setting hearings on August 18th at 8:30 and August 20th
What up,
at
County
8:30 in the
626?
downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $50. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, it looks like you have a case manager that you would need to contact within 24 hours. Okay? Go ahead, step to left. Officer has your paperwork for you.
That foot looks kind of rough.
Jesus Hernandez, please, and then Hussein Abu Bakr.
Living the life.
Hi, Your Honor.
Living the dream, bro.
Hello, sir. Go ahead, state your name for the record.
Jesus Hernandez,
Mr. Hernandez, what is your date of birth?
2/27/1983.
Hey, that foot
Thank
looks
you.
like
And
the last
you are
airbender.
before me this evening because the Peoria Municipal Court issued a warrant for your arrest for failure to appear in their matter involving theft of shopping cart with an offense date of on or about April 19th of 20.
Yes, Your Honor. That day, I didn't leave the premises of the parking lot. They got me at I fell asleep at the Safeway, and I had put my backpack in there, and he said that I had took it out the parking lot. I didn't even take it out the parking lot. I was still in the premises of the what was it, Lowe's? I didn't leave the premises. I don't know why he gave me that. He had it. I don't know why.
I don't know.
So
You don't know.
my
I don't know.
understanding is you are in
What up, Bill?
custody on other matters. Is that
Yeah,
correct?
and that day, I had to go to court that day. I was in custody that day. That I couldn't go to court
Okay.
to that court appearance.
All right, so I'm setting a bond in this matter, a secured appearance bond in the amount of $50 to give you credit for time in custody on this matter. I am appointing you an attorney for limited representation regarding the bond issue only. I'm setting a hearing on August 14th at 9 a.m. in the Peoria Municipal
So I won't be
Court.
released today?
Well, look, you're in custody on other matters as well.
Yeah, but they bond me out for that one already. I was bond out already. I was already out to be bond, so they page two of me. So that they told me to come to court. Well, they got me to court today.
Okay, so is he, officer, is he ready to be released and this is the only thing that's holding him up?
Yeah.
I'm not sure because I don't have.
Yeah, this is the only thing that was holding me up. They told me that I would be released after this.
Okay. I didn't know that. Thank you for letting me know that.
Because I was already on my way out from the bond.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead, hold on just a second. All right, so based upon what you're telling me that this is the only matter that's preventing you from
Yes, ma'am.
being released, I'm going to go ahead and set a hearing on on September 2nd at 9 a.m. in the Peoria Municipal Court. Will you go to that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then based upon your promise to appear in this matter only, I'm releasing you on your own recognizance.
Okay, Your Honor.
Doesn't mean you're not necessarily going to be held on other matters,
Yes.
but with regard to this matter only,
Yeah,
I'm releasing
and I go to court tomorrow. I'm being in court tomorrow for my other one.
But you're not.
But I'm released already from. I got bailed out from the other one.
Okay.
I'm bailed out.
All right. So in this matter, I'm releasing you on your own recognizance. We are updating your paperwork. You do need to go to that hearing.
Yes,
though?
Your Honor. I
Okay.
will be there.
Because
I didn't,
otherwise, you know.
yeah,
the
because I
thing
didn't
that
show up
happened.
because I was in custody, that's why I didn't show up. I was on my way to go to that court, but I was held up.
Okay.
Thank you.
2026?
All right, Hussein Abu Bakr, please.
Damn, they got a long docket today. That fool ain't
All
going
right,
nowhere.
sir, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Hussein Mohammed Abu Bakr.
And Mr. Abu Bakr,
Yeah.
what is your date of birth?
01/01/1996.
Thank you. All right, you are here this evening because you were arrested earlier today on charges of shoplifting with an artifice, a Class 4 felony, and shoplifting concealment, a Class 1 misdemeanor. You also have an offense date of June 8th, 2025 for shoplifting removal of goods, a Class 6 felony, and shoplifting concealment, a misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for all of those. I am appointing you an attorney. I'm setting hearings on August 26th at 8:30 and August 28th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Will you go to those?
Yes.
Okay, then based upon your promise to appear, I'm going to release you today on your own recognizance. However, I am requiring that you register with pretrial services.
Okay.
Okay, they're going to do things like remind you of your hearings. They'll give you bus passes if you need bus passes, okay?
Okay.
All right, no returning to the scene of the alleged crime. That's the big one, but all release conditions will be in your paperwork. Go ahead, step to the left, officer, out your paperwork. Vanessa Garcia, and then Brandon Galab.
This guy just got released. He's on his way out. He'll be out before midnight, or maybe after midnight. This fool thinks he's in Cali, where you can take.
All right, Ms. Garcia, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Vanessa Garcia,
Ms. Garcia, what's your date of birth?
8/16/91.
Thank you. And you are here this evening because you were arrested earlier today on charges of possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, that's a Class 6 felony. I did find probable cause for all of those. I am appointing you an attorney. I am setting hearings on August 26th at 8:30 in the morning and August 28th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Will you go to those? All right, and then based upon your promise to appear, I'm going to go ahead and release you today on your own recognizance. You do need to go to those hearings. If you do not go to those hearings, a warrant may issue for your arrest, okay? All right, go ahead, step to the left, officer, has your paperwork. Brandon Galab, please, and then Daniel Hernandez. All right, sir, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Brandon Gleb.
And sir, what is your date of birth?
10/11/92.
Does that fool work at Costco?
And you are here this evening because you were arrested earlier today on for the offense of criminal damage, a misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for that. Based upon the information that you provided to pretrial services, I am finding that you are not indigent for purposes of appointing you an attorney. I am setting a hearing on September 2nd at 2 p.m. in the Buckeye Municipal Court. Will you go to that?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Okay. I'm going to release you today on your own recognizance. You are subject to certain release conditions. Do you and the alleged victim live together?
We actually both own that home.
Okay. Since you are the defendant in this matter, I am imposing conditions that you may not return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with the alleged victim. Do you and the alleged victim share children?
No.
Okay. You may not reside at the same location as any alleged victim or go to the alleged victim's residence, even if you're an owner or renter of the residence. If you presently reside with any alleged victim, you must find an alternative residence. You can arrange for one civil standby with law enforcement to collect any essential belongings. The way you do that is you call your local police department and you say, I need a civil standby. They know what that is and they will assist you.
Okay.
He got 12 and a half years.
Hold on,
Hey,
I
what up,
need to
Dixie?
update this just a little bit. You will also need to obey any terms of any order of harassment or any injunction, order of protection or any injunction against harassment. All right, go ahead, step to the left. I am needing to update that paperwork, but we'll
I
get
just
that
had
right
one
after you.
question.
Yes, sir.
Is there like a time span of me not going back, or like
So you can.
how does that work?
So that your next court hearing is September 2nd at 2 p.m. That would be the time to address any changes in your release conditions with that judge. So you're out of the house at least until September 2nd.
Hey, okay. Thank you, Lexi.
Okay. All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer has the paperwork.
No, pardon.
Daniel Hernandez, please. All right, Mr. Hernandez, go ahead, state your name for the record.
Daniel Hernandez.
Mr. Hernandez, what's your date of birth?
4/1880.
All right, you are here today because the North Mesa Justice Court issued a warrant for your arrest for failure to pay in your matter arising out of a driving with a suspended or revoked license in November of 22. In that matter, because of the nature of the charges, you're not entitled to have me appoint an attorney for you, so I'm not appointing an attorney. You can, of course, retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting a hearing on August 28th at 1 p.m. in the North Mesa Justice Court. Will you go to that?
Yes.
Okay.
And just so you know, I've been in contact with them. I lost my job in April. They know that. My income tax return was supposed to go to that. I just got the IRS paper that it said that they took the whole $758. They're under the impression they only took $50. But I just got that back from the IRS. My intention was to be there today.
Okay.
To put this in. I was supposed to be in court to reset the whole thing.
Okay. It sounds like you're getting your pieces in motion to get it taken care of. So continue to do that. I know it's a process and it can be a frustrating process, but it sounds like you're doing what you need to do.
Thank you.
Okay. Go ahead. Step left, Officer Ashford.
What are my conditions?
You just so I'm releasing you on your own recognizance based upon your promise to appear.
I'm going to be there tomorrow morning. I got to reset it tomorrow. I was supposed to do it today.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
All right. Thank you, sir. All right. We have one house call this evening. Our house call is Ryan Bradley. Mr. Bradley's date of birth is February 7th of 2003. Mr. Bradley is here because he was arrested earlier today on charges of assault, a Class 3 misdemeanor, and disorderly conduct, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for those. I am setting a secured appearance bond in this matter in the amount of $2,000 because I am setting a bond. I am appointing an attorney for Mr. Bradley for limited representation regarding the bond issue only. I am setting a hearing on August 20th at 8:30 a.m. in the Goodyear Municipal Court. And with that should conclude our 5 p.m. initial appearance calendar. And we are going to go ahead and stand adjourned until 8, and we are off the record.
Honestly, Lexi, I appreciate the suggestion, but honestly, I don't feel comfortable doing that, asking you guys for anything. Maybe if I was doing bad, then I would, but I'm doing okay right now. But hey, thank you, the gesture. It Let me talk to my wife because I don't want to get myself in the hole over here. One of my coworkers were on here a couple weeks ago. What? Let me see you at the 8. I'll be doing the Pima one. Well, I won't be on the Pima one today, but I'm gonna be streaming the Pima one. It starts in about an hour, so I'll have it up. And go. I want to send something for. Let me ask my wife. Let me ask her if my wife is cool with it. Then we could go ahead and do that. So the last one, the house call is danger to everyone else. Yeah, normally it is, but then they have one today. You're gonna get in trouble laughing out loud. See, I'm always watching to see if I see my bio data on here. Sheesh. Break until 8 p.m. Thank you for everything, James. We appreciate you. Hey, thank you, Matthew. Highly appreciate you, and I appreciate all of you guys. I appreciate you guys tapping the screen. I see on one of the accounts we get up to 44,000. I'm always watching. All right, guys. So hey, I'm gonna take a break. I might be back for the 8 o'clock one. Let me see. Where do you stream? I stream on YT. It's the same account name at Collect Call From. I also have a Discord. If you guys want to jump on my Discord, if you guys ever see any streams that you guys feel I should clip, just drop the timestamp of the stream on the Discord account. The Discord account is also at collect call from. Everything's pretty much the name is the same all across all the social media platforms. It's always going to be at collect call from. I won't be on for the PIMA, but I am going to run the PIMA one. Let me see. YT go. That's right. Thank you. Hey, you're welcome. Highly appreciate you. I'll try to be back for the 8 p.m. Maricopa. That's when the next one will be. All right. Hey guys, I do appreciate you guys. Collect call. Hey, thank you, Lexi. Thank you, Lexi. Really appreciate that. Later, for sure. Hey guys, you guys have a good one. Hey, I am Collect Call James. You guys are watching. You have a collect call from, and like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And with that, we're out. Rato. Lights out. Bye, guys. I'll see you guys later.